What's up, people? In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you another tool you can use to generate your videos using Grok, and it's going to be absolutely for free. So I'll be showing you how to go about it, and you can see you can generate as long as 30 seconds video on this particular website, and the videos you're going to be generating is going to be 100% watermark free. So there's not going to be anything like watermark on that particular video you are generating. You can see the video showing on the screen right now. That's the video I was able to create using this particular website. So let me quickly just release the audio for you to be hear how it sounds and how everything looks like.
Amaka, this is not fair. You brought your mother here without asking me.
She is my mother, Chike. She has nowhere else to go. I only wanted to
I never came to cause trouble. If my presence brings pain, I will leave. I only wanted to be close to my daughter.
So I believe you enjoy that and you want to create something like that. So if you're ready, just pick up your system and let's start creating something together. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So the first thing you're going to do is to head over to this website. I'll be pinning the link to this website in the comment section, so you just check it, or you can check in the description box. So now what I'm going to, you can just click, here is the link to the website. Okay, so to this, here's the link. So now what I'm going to do, once you're here, the next thing you're going to do, you have to ensure you sign into your app an account. So now I'm going to start for free and see you'll be doing everything here for free. So what you're just going to do is to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to now just quickly just sign in using the Google account. So I've already signed in. You can see I've signed in and it gave me automatically 20 credits. So now what I'm going to now do is let's quickly just show you how to create the video using Grok. So now for you to do that, first of all, one thing you're going to do is just come over here under where you see these AI videos. What you're going to do, you can just see them, you can use Clean, you can use Sora and Sora Pro and also even the all down to the VL3. So now, but for this video, we said we are going to be it's all about Grok. So we are going to be making use of Grok. So I'm going to select Grok here. So once you select that, you allow it to load up. It's going to bring you to this particular site. So once you're here, we are going to just scroll down a little and you're going to see where you have prompts. So now what you're going to do is just to here you describe what you imagine. I've already generated my prompt. So I already have like this is what I just try to see what I want. Let me just say, okay, let me just remove this honey, just make it now select down to this. I just pray it's able to generate everything with the way I specify it here. So let me just paste it here and see. Then on the aspect ratio, I'm going to make it to here, scroll down a little. Let's scroll down a little. You can see we have this, but since I'm going to be I'm going to make use of this. Now on this, I'm going under the duration and say we'll be spending 20 credits if we are going to make it 10 credits if we are going to be making it 6 seconds. Now let me just increase it to again and see so 13 seconds is going to be okay. Let me just say I want to use up the total 20 credits. Okay, 20 seconds is going to take as long as 22 credits. So let me just make it 18 seconds and see. Okay, once it's 18 seconds, I'm going to be spending a total of 19 credits. Now I'm going to, since it's just for tutorial sake, I just want to I'm going to make use of the lower so that I'll be able to contain more of my distance. So now from here, what I'm going to now do, you can describe your tune. So you want to make it out, just leave it as normal. Then you want to share now. So what you're going to do from there, you just click on generate video to generate. So now once you click on generate, it's going to queue. You can see your video is in queue, you can see, and you can see under the history, you will be seeing it here. So we are going to just wait. You can see, for those of you that will say this is not Grok, you can see it's really showing here that it is a Grok video that we are generated. So I'm just going to wait for it to complete. Then once it completes generating the video, I'm going to review the video and see what it has done for us, if they actually match what I was expecting for it to generate. So you can see it has finished generating the video. You can see there is the video. Let me just quickly preview this.
Amaka, this is not fair. You brought your mother here without asking me.
She is my mother, Chike. She has nowhere else to go. I only wanted
So I never seem to cause trouble. If my presence brings pain, I will leave. I only wanted it close to my door.
So you can see what it has generated. I think it did a very great job with this particular video. For you to be able to download your video, what you just need to do is just to click here, download. So you, once you click it, can now download your video. You can see it has been downloaded. So for you to get more credit to continue use Gmail private generation, you can see in this particular video, I actually use basically almost all the credit I was given just to show you one, because of the length of what I was trying to generate, and also in your own case, probably if what you wanted to do is shorter, you are going to be able to generate more than one with the credits that will be given to you. This credit they are giving to you is daily. So if you, let's say for example, you use it, you can exhaust your credits today, you can come back tomorrow and you'll be given another 20 credits so to use. So that's just it. You can check it from the pricing here. You can see from the pricing here, that's where you'll be seeing the detail of everything. So if you want the free account, you can see you'll be given 25 free credits per day. So you can see how it is. So every day you'll be given 25 free credits to use on this particular website. So now let's say if you have multiple projects you want to work on and you can't afford to be waiting. So the trick to get more credits to use, like for example, if you have a lots of email address, let's say you're having like 10 Google accounts. So what you can just say, you can just, once you exhaust one, you can generate another one using the second one. So with that, just it, you get, once you're done, you sign out, you log out and log in again, and that's just how to go about it. So you can see with, let's say you're having 5 emails, definitely it's going to give you up to that kind 100 credits to use per day. So with that, and if you come back the next day, you have another extra 100 credits. So that's just how it goes. So you can try out this website and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.